Work willingly at whatever you do, as though you were working for the Lord rather than for people. Colossians 3:23. Hey everybody, this is Jara here, and I just wanted to give you guys another tip on how to make some free packaging for your hair company if you are starting a hair company like me. And before we get into the video, I wanted to show you guys my hair. This is actually not released yet, but this is my bohemian curly hair. So if you guys are interested in that, just check out my website, Chocolatebeauteinc.com. I have all of my hair, and if you sign up to become a VIP beauty, then you will be updated on when I will be releasing this hair. I also have made this hair into a wig unit, and I make wigs, custom wigs. So again, if you go to my website, you can order or purchase a custom wig. And I also am a makeup artist. So got a lot of hustles going on, but that's all under the umbrella of Chocolate Beauty Inc. The next thing that I want to show you guys is how I make hang tags. Going through, so pretty much you would go ahead and go on Canva.com, go to the business card template, and come up with your design with what information you want to include on your bundle wraps. For me, I put the name of the texture in my branded name. So like this, I don't have the branded name for this, but I have right now the melted straight bundles. I have my drizzle body wave, and then this will be, I believe, swirl, my bohemian swirl curly, all related to chocolate themes and stuff like that. Let me know if y'all like that, if y'all got better suggestions, or if that's just corny. Let me know. I need some real feedback. Anyways, you go there, you get everything together. I put the name of my bundles, I put the actual just texture, I believe, so straight, body wave, whatever, and so the origin, the texture, and then I have the lengths 12 through 30, and I do it as a check off box because I don't want to be writing nothing in, so everything's already on there. I just have to check it off. And I have my business name and Instagram on there, and then on the back I have like my little slogan, which is treat yourself. I'll show an insert of that here. So that's what I currently have. These is what I made on Canva.com. And if you go to Everything Ebony, her page, she recommends that you go to VistaPrint.com, and you can go ahead and order business cards, the vertical business cards, and order those. I think they have like a sale, 100 of them for $10 or something like that, or 500 for $10. However many, VistaPrint always has sales. So whatever they have going on at the time, and then you pretty much will purchase those, and then you have your hang tags, which is a great idea. And she's been in business for a long time, and so she has sales coming like this. But for me, who's starting out, and I've only had about 3 to 5 orders, you know what I mean, hair and wig wise, I've been getting some consistent business with makeup, thank you Jesus. But and if you're wondering, if you like my skin, y'all like this glow, this is the Juvia's Place foundation, okay hunty, all right. Anyways, but back on topic. So she recommends doing that, and that's great. But unfortunately, you know, I didn't feel like I wanted to invest in that many business hang tags all at once, because I haven't gotten that many orders, and that would just be something I'm sitting on, and every coin matters in my household, you feel me? So what I did is I bought some cardstock. You could probably get like 100 sheets for $3 to $5, and I simply printed out my design, cut it out like I did my bundle wraps, and I'll show you an insert here of what that's looking like, and I was good to go. So if you guys want a detailed tutorial of how I made my actual design on Canva.com, let me know. I do pay, like I said, because I do graphic design and stuff like that, I pay for the upgraded version. So there may be some differences, it may not, I don't know. I've had the paid version for quite some time, but besides that, I can still show you the walkthrough of what it looks like on my end if you guys really want to see it. And you know, I'd be happy to do that for you guys. But besides that, I printed out the design. Instead of using the VistaPrint, I printed it out. Sorry, before I go into that, here's the front and then here's the back, like I told you guys. And the sizing of these cut out is about this big, so they're pretty large hang tags. I will admit I had to make them bigger for the image resolution to make sense and not to come out too funky when I had them small. So here's a business card, my business card, and if you see, this is how it compares to the business card. So it's much bigger. When I did it smaller, like I said, it was, the resolution didn't come out really well. And like I said, because I'm printing them at home, I had to make that tweak to have them bigger. So like I said, I have 6 per page. This is on the cardstock paper. I printed it out on one side, took it out my printer, and then put it in through the other side. So that's how I do it. And then I have like a paper cutter to make sure that my lines are always straight when I cut. I don't use scissors personally because I made a couple DIY projects where I need to cut. So, and I'll show it to you guys. This is what I use. I got this from Hobby Lobby. I actually made my own wedding invitations when I got married, so I invested in this cutter so that I could make sure my lines that I use were straight. All right, guys, I hope that was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye, guys.